Cozy homes, safe families. Meet the Dreo oil-filled radiator heater. Tired of the winter chills? The Dreo oil-filled radiator heater is here to transform your home into a cozy haven. With 360 degrees heat circulation, it warms large spaces quickly, quietly, and efficiently. Plus, safety comes first with built-in overheat and tip-over protection. No more hassle. Adjust heat settings with remote control or set a 24-hour timer for personalized warmth. Its eco mode ensures efficient energy use and lowers heating bills without compromising comfort. Move it easily anywhere with smooth rolling wheels, perfect for any room. Designed with care, the heater's cool touch exterior and wraparound fins prevent burns, ensuring a safe environment for families with kids or pets. Dreo combines UL-certified materials and thoughtful construction for worry-free peace of mind. Why let the cold limit your comfort? With this durable and sleek heater, you get style, safety, and savings wrapped into one. Create a warm and inviting home for your loved ones. Don't let winter catch you off guard. Order the Dreo oil-filled radiator heater today to enjoy a cozier, safer home. Visit Amazon now and make your house the warmest spot this season.